Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you remove browsing history on iPhone. So at first, to remove Safari browsing history, go to settings. Now just scroll here and go to Safari. Again scroll here and here you can see clear history and website data. Click on it. Now click on the red clear history and data and your Safari history and data will be deleted. Now if you want to remove your Chrome history and data, go to Chrome. Now just click the bottom last, the three dot icon and click on history. Now in the bottom here you can see clear browsing data. Click on it. You can select a time range to clear browsing data in the top. You can select for all time 4 weeks, 7 days and 24 hours. I'm just selecting the last hour. Now just click the bottom clear browsing data and click on clear browsing data. So guys, that's how you can remove your Safari and Chrome browsing data. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.